Hey everyone, today in this video, I'm going to be checking out the ANTA Men's PG7 running shoes in the color black, but they do have multiple colors available, so be sure to check the link and pick the size and color that works best for you. I purchased these myself, and I landed on the black because it was the cheapest color at the time, and with these being running shoes, with how fast my previous shoes have worn out, I figured it didn't really matter because I'm not going to be having them for that long, but only time will tell. So let's go ahead, let's open them up and see what's inside. Looking at the box, we got their logo and branding front and center. We'll look at the side. We have a sticker here with our information. These shoes were made in Vietnam for those that are interested. Look at the other side, their logo and branding. And then looking on the back, we got their logo and branding with sizing charts for multiple countries. So take a look there. You can see what they have available, which is interesting. Now let's open up the box. We have our shoes here. I did already remove the inserts for those that were wondering. There were inserts here, so they were packed really nicely and they had that form in there to keep the shoe in shape. But inside the box, we have our typical packing material and our two shoes. Let me give you a close-up of the shoe so you can see the quality from all sides. We do have a reflective piece on the back, which is really nice. Take a look at the shiny logo on the inside. Got our size sticker right there. Shoelaces. Got a little reflective piece right there, it looks like, too. PG7. Give them a little flex and bend for you. But take a look there. That's what you can expect, and obviously the color will change depending on what you choose. For those wondering, I just tried them on and they are true to size, so go ahead, get your normal size and you should be good with these shoes as well. Now there's nothing else to do besides run with these shoes to put on some serious mileage over the next couple of weeks and months to see the wear and tear on these shoes and how they hold up. All right, months have passed and I put 48 miles of running on these shoes, and that's running only. I haven't worn them for walking or anything else. So I wanted to show you how they've held up so far, and I gotta say, I'm very, very happy with my experience with these shoes running, and I will continue to wear them, and once they wear out, I will continue to buy more pairs of these shoes because I'm very happy with the comfort and quality of them. It is very, very nice for street running. So I'm running on concrete sidewalks. Very, very comfortable. So let's take a look at the wear and tear. Shoelaces are fine. The inside has worn out a little bit with their branding there. No big deal, as expected. Let me give you the side view. The other side. Look at the very front, very back, and then obviously the underside here. So this might vary depending on how you run. So I have some wear up at the top and on this side. My other running shoes wore out on this side as well, but they were a lot cheaper with their sole. So this has done a really good job, but we do have a pretty substantial worn spot here already and up there. I would expect similar wear to what you might have with your current running shoes, but they've held up great. Let's go look at the other one. Same thing. Inside there's worn out a little bit. Side, side, back, front. And then looking at this one, same thing, a little bit more wear on this foot, so that's gonna be my left foot. You can see up at the top. And again, that's 48 miles on these shoes and just running. Would that be better? Just trying to position them in the camera so you guys can get a feel for that wear and tear. Maybe it can be zoomed in. But on both sides there, that's what we're starting to see the wear. A little bit right there too, I'm noticing on that side. And then up at the very front. But man, you guys tell me, for the PG7, I think they look great and have held up great so far. And what's most important for me, running on concrete and asphalt, they are very, very comfortable. And I'm not sore or tweaking anything when I'm wearing these shoes, which is great to see as well. I just didn't realize going from a really, really cheap pair of running shoes to these shoes, how much of a difference it actually makes in my comfort for running. So that's going to be a testament to the sole, and we'll continue to see how they hold up. But so far, so good. Very happy. I would definitely buy these again and plan on buying them again once they wear out.